In 2026, the right combination of Chrome extensions, AI tools, and online resources can turn your online arbitrage business into a fully automated profit engine. Whether you're a beginner or a six-figure seller, using the right digital toolkit saves time, increases accuracy, and helps you make smarter sourcing decisions. Let's start with Chrome extensions. These lightweight tools are the backbone of efficient online arbitrage. The first must-have is Keepa, which tracks price history, sales rank, and buy box rotation across millions of Amazon listings. It's essential for verifying demand and avoiding risky products. Next is Seller Amp SaaS, a powerhouse extension that instantly calculates ROI, profit margin, and fees for any listing, right from your browser. It even flags restrictions and brand gating. RevSeller is another classic tool that provides real-time profit calculations and competitor insights directly on Amazon product pages. If you source from multiple marketplaces, Tactical Arbitrage's Chrome plugin helps you compare prices across hundreds of websites instantly. For cashback and discounts, use Rakuten, Top Cashback, or Capital One Shopping. These extensions automatically find coupons and cashback opportunities to maximize your margins. Pair them with Honey to apply the best available promo codes during checkout. Now let's talk about AI tools. The most versatile one is ChatGPT, which helps with everything from brainstorming product niches to writing optimized listings. You can use it to analyze customer reviews, summarize competitor feedback, and even generate new product ideas based on trending keywords. Smart Scout is another game-changing AI-driven platform. It maps the entire Amazon marketplace, revealing profitable brands, categories, and ASINs. With its predictive analytics, you can find product opportunities before they become saturated. For repricing, AI tools like Aura AI and Seller Snap automatically adjust prices based on competitor behavior and market trends, helping you win the buy box while protecting your margins. Meanwhile, So Stocked uses AI forecasting to predict restocking needs and maintain optimal inventory levels. Automation tools are the final layer of your toolkit. Zapier connects all your favorite apps, automating workflows like syncing sourcing results to spreadsheets or sending notifications when deals match your filters. Asana or Notion can help manage team tasks and standard operating procedures efficiently. For global sourcing, use Wise or Payoneer to handle international payments with lower fees, and TaxJar or Avalara for automated tax compliance. Combine these with Google Sheets dashboards or Airtable for centralized data tracking. The best part is how seamlessly these tools integrate. You can scan products using Tactical Arbitrage, analyze them with Keepa and Seller Amp, get AI insights from ChatGPT, and then manage listings automatically through your connected workflow. It's a complete ecosystem built for efficiency. In 2026, success in online arbitrage comes down to using technology smarter than your competition. With the right Chrome extensions, AI tools, and resources working together, you can streamline every part of your business: sourcing, pricing, fulfillment, and scaling.